Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Rockstar games to Steam. Now, this is my Steam right here, and I'm going to go ahead and tap this one here. It says add a game, and I'm going to add a non-Steam game. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and look for that. Alright, seems like I can't find it in here. If you don't find it in here, oh, there it is. So I can just add this right away. But if you don't find it right here, what you are going to do is just basically look for your Rockstar Games launcher, right click this one, click more, and then open file location. And we're going to open file location once again. And then you should remember here, the name is Launcher Patcher. We're going to copy this one, and we're going to go back to our Steam. Now here in our Steam, we're going to go ahead and click Browse. And we're going to paste it in here just like so. Now after doing that, you should be able to see this one here. This is Launcher Patcher once again. I'm going to open this one. And there you go. You can see it in here. I'm going to go ahead and click Add Selected Program. Alright, once you're done, you're going to come to the library and you should be able to see it in here. Now you can just go ahead and tap the play button here, and congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to connect Rockstar Games to Steam.